Welcome to USA Tech Picks. In today's video, we've got 5 incredible car chargers that'll keep your devices powered up on the go. From super fast charging to multi-device compatibility, these chargers are perfect for your road trips. Let's dive in. Number 1 is Noto Genius One, 1A Smart Car Battery Charger, the ultimate all-in-one solution for charging and maintaining 6V and 12V batteries. Perfect for motorcycles, ATVs, cars, and deep cycle batteries, it works with both lead-acid and lithium-ion types. This compact charger functions as a maintainer, trickle charger, float charger, and desulfator, delivering precision charging while protecting against overcharging and damage. Built for reliability and performance, the Genius One ensures your batteries stay fully charged, safely maintained, and ready when you need them. Number 2 is Superone Retractable Car Charger 4-in-1, the ultimate fast charging solution for your on-the-go lifestyle. Featuring a built-in 2.6 feet retractable cable with both USB-C and Apple connectors, this charger powers up iPhones, Galaxies, Pixels, and more with speed and convenience. Compact, clutter-free, and travel-ready, the Superone charger keeps your devices powered wherever the road takes you. 3 is Anope Super Fast Car Charger USB Fast Charge for iPhone 16e, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro, X, Samsung S25, S24, S23, S22, Android Car Charger Adapter 45W. Experience lightning fast charging with this powerful 45W all-metal car charger. Designed to rapidly charge your iPhone or Samsung Galaxy devices, this sleek, durable charger delivers quick charge technology for both USB-C and USB-A devices. Whether you're using an iPhone, Galaxy, or Android, this charger ensures your devices stay powered up and ready for anything. Built with premium materials, it's the perfect solution for efficient, on-the-go charging. Number 4 is Baseus 160W USB-C Car Charger. Experience super fast charging with this 3-port car charger. Equipped with USB-C, QC 5.0, PD 3.0, and PPS, it charges iPhone 15, Samsung S22, iPad, MacBook Pro, and more at lightning speed. With 160W of power, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously, all while ensuring safety and efficiency. Compact, reliable, and built to last, perfect for on-the-go charging. Number 5 is Lysen 54W Car Phone Charger USB-C, a high-power 12V cigarette lighter adapter for super-fast charging. With 54W of power, it rapidly charges your iPhone 16e, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, Samsung S25, Google devices, iPad, and more. Designed with USB-C compatibility, this compact and reliable charger ensures efficient, on-the-go charging for all your devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.